tools of the trade. As an iTints certified technician, you have to know exactly the right tools needed for every phase of the installation, whether it's the decontamination, the smart film installation, or in this case, the low voltage pre-wiring. We have our handy dandy tool belt where we already have established our set tools. We have a power drill, we have a multi-cutter, we have our long drill bits. So it's now time for us to pre-wire through the framing and insert our contact switches, which is a point of contact for the door that swings out. And from there, we can make an incision, bringing our buzz bar wires over to the contact and our low voltage wire drop over to the opposite contact, and that's how we get power to a swing door on wooden framed windows with our low voltage wiring system. All right. For every different window system, there's gonna be a dedicated hardware where we'll need to have our low voltage conductor onto that swing door, fixed panel, or sliding door. In this case, we're using contact switches. You gotta go high, baby. No more OSHA. Right now we're about to show you the art in smart.